Massive fire blast in Malaysia. At least 112 people were injured in a fire that occurred at a gas pipeline leak on the outskirts of the capital Kuala Lumpur on Thursday. The affected pipeline near Putra East Puchong Selangor has been isolated and all relevant stakeholders have been informed. Malaysia's state agency firm Petron said in a statement. The firm said it is working closely with all relevant parties to ensure that safety of the surrounding community, environment and security of gas supply to the nation. Investigations are still underway, it added. Out of the 112 people injured in the incident, 49 have received treatment at a temple of Subak, Jaya City, according to the state news agency Bernama. 63 others were sent to various hospitals due to burns, breathing problems and injuries, according to Selangor Police Deputy Chief Jaini Abu Hassan. Some 49 homes have also been affected by the fire. Separately, Gas Malaysia Distribution said that the fire incident did not include their gas facility.